An old man was once admitted into hospital, and a young boy used to come every day to take care of him. The young boy spent more than an hour every day with this old man. He used to come, he used to take the old man for a shower. After the shower, he used to feed him lunch. Once the lunch was over, he used to take him on his wheelchair into the garden of the hospital. After taking a long walk in the garden, he used to come back into the room, put the old man back onto the bed, and assured that he was very comfortable. Only when the young boy was reassured that the old man was very comfortable, he used to leave the hospital. One day, a nurse who was taking care of this old man visited him to give him medicines and check up on his well being. While doing her routine, she complimented to the old man, "I think you are very blessed, and all my heart goes out to your son. May God bless him with long and healthy life, the way he's taking care of you every day." The old man relaxed, closed his eyes, and said, "Only if he was my son." He is an orphan who was there on the road. And one fine day, I saw this young boy crying on the road because his father had died. When I saw that sight, I just went to the boy and tried to comfort him. But he was unconsolable. To ensure that he kept quiet, I brought in some candies and gave it to this young boy. From that day, I never met this boy. Some time back, this boy came looking out for my wife and myself, and he finally found us. On finding us, he used to visit our home every day just to check on our well being. One fine day, when he came to know that I was not well, the first thing which he did was to take my wife to his home so that she was taken care of, and then admitted me to this hospital. From that day, every day he comes to take care of me. The old man went on to say, one day I asked this young boy, "Son, you don't have to do all these things for us. You're not obliged to do this." And the young boy looked at this old man, smiled, and said that the taste of candy is very fresh in my mouth till date. Isn't it a heartwarming story? And I just want to ask all of you, what taste do you leave in others' mouth? Let's introspect. Thank you.